Hello everybody, this is Lavinia and Leo. In today's episode, I want to talk about something that is the basic of everything that you will have to do to create a balanced and happy dog. When we see dogs, because of our way of living and the society, we kind of think that they are like us. We kind of think that they have the same kind of feelings, that they react to stimulus the same way that we do, which is not true because they are dogs. They are not human. So we need to change this way of thinking and start by a dog is an animal. That's the first layer. They are animals. And what does it mean? Animals have different kind of necessities that they need to cover: food, water, roof, and at certain point they need to procreate. That's it. That's as an animal. So a dog first gonna behave as an animal. They will try to satisfy these basic needs. The second layer is that they are dogs. So within this animal kingdom, they are dogs. And dogs come from a wolf. It has been proof that they come from a certain type of wolf that over thousands of years, it has changed until we got this variety of breeds of dogs. But they keep having these wolf characteristics. For example, dogs are a pack animal, so they are designed to be part of a pack. They are social animals. They are not meant to be alone or wandering by their own. So, and that's extremely important because once you bring a dog to your house, he becomes part of your pack. And a pack normally, well, it has a leader, right? It only has one leader. So for them, you need to make them understand who the leader is. And that should be you, not them, because that's when everything starts going wrong, if they think they are the leader. And the only possible reason that they think they are the leader is because you are not making yourself be the leader. So if we start summarize, dogs are animals. They are not human. They don't think like us. They don't feel like us. Then they are dogs that come from wolf. So they are social animals, and they are always used to be in a pack. In a pack in which every member plays a role. You don't want your dog to be the leader. You want to be the leader of your pack. Second is the breed. So again, within this family of dogs, you have different breeds. And what does it mean? How does it really affect the behavior? Because certain breeds have been created by humans and have been modified to have certain characteristics. There are, for example, dogs that are more designed to swim, like Labradors. They are designed to help, well, in 1,000 years ago, to help people fish, for example. So they still remain those characteristics, and Labradors will be extremely comfortable in water. As a matter of fact, they will feel that they are making a job when they are swimming. For example, as well, my little friend here, Cocker Spaniel. Spaniel have been created to help people hunt, to bring their prey after the hunter targeted. Yeah, not fan of that, but that's how they have been designed. So the different breeds, it's going to affect the level of energy and the type of activity your dog is more focused to do. That's extremely important to know. So if you are thinking about getting a dog, do a little research on that which type of dog and what it's supposed to be doing. So I'm not saying that because I have a Cocker Spaniel I have to start hunting because he likes to hunt. No, it's just his brain and his genetic is conditioned to do so. So I will try to focus the exercise and the games that I do with him into something maybe bring the prey to me, bring the ball, you know, because he's conditioned to do that. And the fourth layer, he's Leo. Is the name that I put him because I like it. You can call him Table if you want. The thing is that it's just the personality of the dog. That's what I mean. So within all these layers, each dog has its own personality and it will develop it through the years according to the experience and the learnings he gets from you. So this is very, very important that we understand, because in the following episodes, I'm gonna go deeply into each of these and to see, to dig in how we can take advantage of this. How can we play this in our favor to make a happier dog? So, a dog is an animal. It has basic needs that they need to fulfill. After that, dogs are dogs, so they come from wolf. They keep these characteristics in their blood, in their genes, okay? Third, they are the breed that they are. They have been genetically modified to follow certain behavior and certain characteristics. You can modify this, but you can play this in your favor as well to make it easier. And fourth, your dog is going to be whatever you teach them to be. He's going to react, and he's like a little sponge that is going to absorb everything that he sees and that he learns. So every dog is unique. That's amazing. That's what I love about them as well. But it's important that you understand that they are not human. They don't think like us. They don't react like us. They don't have the same emotions. They do feel. Of course they feel. They can be happy, they can be sad, but not in the same way that we do. So at the time of educating a dog, you need to consider this to make it easier for him, to make it more natural for him, because you are adapting to him, because you have the possibility. You cannot ask a dog to behave like a human, because that's not gonna happen. And again, that's where everything starts going wrong. All the chaos, the misbehavior, and the drama, because they don't know what to do. They don't know how to behave like a human. So I hope you learn something from it. You get something out of it. And in the next episode, I'm gonna go through deeply each of these, because that's the basic. If you fully understand this and you put yourself into your dog's shoes on what they really are, everything will be easy for you and for them, and you will get a happy dog. So thank you for watching us. We will go and take a walk now.